Hey guys, I have been using Yahoo Finance to track my portfolio of stocks and also to create watch lists to monitor those companies that I'm interested in. In fact, I think it is a good starting place for new investors because of its clean and simple interface. In fact, I'm still using it now. The reason is that I'm still using different brokerage accounts at this point in time, so I want to have a single place to consolidate and track the overall positions of my investments. Of course, here you have to do some manual data entry, but it shouldn't be too difficult or take up too much time, especially if you are maintaining it on a consistent basis. So very quickly, once you enter Yahoo Finance website, you can head over to the tab My Portfolio and start creating your portfolio. Then click on Create Portfolio. Give your portfolio a name. And depending on where you are, you can select the different types of currency that you want your portfolio to be denominated in. Once done, you can start adding the stocks that you want to track by clicking Add symbol. Once you have added the stocks, head over to the tab My Holdings and you can start adding the number of lots or shares that you have bought for each of these companies. So, as and when you buy more shares of a particular stock, you can just add on to your current positions. By entering the number of shares and price that you bought, the tracker will auto-calculate the average cost per share, current market value, as well as the total unrealized gain or loss for each of the stocks. In fact, once you are done adding up all your positions, it will aggregate the total current market value of your investments at the top, together with the consolidated daily and total gains unrealized in your portfolio. Now you can download the mobile app version so that you can keep track on the go as well. Once you logged into the mobile app, you should be able to see all your positions and holdings that you have just added from the browser. And I think having a synchronized portfolio in both your desktop and mobile app is really great and convenient. Not only that, you can click on any of the stocks and head to the Financials tab. Here you can explore the recent 4 to 5 years of financial details. Basically, you can get some good details on the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. Of course, here I want to caution newer investors to verify any numbers that you see here with the annual reports from the companies themselves, especially for those companies that you are interested to invest in. So once you have decided to monitor certain companies, you can head over to the mobile app, click on the little bell icon on the top right hand corner of a particular stocks page to set a price target if you want Yahoo Finance to alert you when the target price is triggered. This will come in very handy when you are waiting for the price to come down to a certain level before buying, or sell off and capitalize on a gain when it hits certain price target. So apart from creating a portfolio to track the stocks that you own, you can create a watch list in a similar fashion to monitor those stocks that you are interested in. And finally, here I want to highlight that it also provides great notification features, prompting you any major news or substantial movement in the market. In fact, it also prompts you any substantial movement or news specific to the companies in your portfolio or watch list, where you can tap and read on for more details in the app itself. I think these are really nice features for us who are busy with work and lives and don't have much time to keep track of the news related to the companies that we have invested in. Although it does not provide very sophisticated analytical tools or functions, nor does it track your returns like a professional fund manager, I think it will serve most investors very well already. So all in all, whether you are accessing this Yahoo Finance portfolio tracker using the browser or the mobile app version, I think it is a really great tool for newer investors to start working with for free. It is definitely better than not having organized information and details about your investment, because how are you going to make an informed decision without accurate data? That's why I'm still using Yahoo Finance even now. Let me know your thoughts on this and share with us in the comment below, and consider subscribing to our channel if you find what I share with you today is useful. In the meantime, check out the recommended videos here to continue learning, and see you next time.